Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue if your local area connection does not have a valid IP configuration. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution is to change network adapter settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, dito lang sa ating keyboard ay press mo lang yung Windows logo plus letter R. So, pagsabay niya. And then pop up itong tinatawag na run. Right? So, dito sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ncpa.cpl. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ncpa.cpl in one word yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. At madadirect tayo dito sa ating network connections. So, ang next step, select mo lang dito kung ano yung ginagamit mong connections. So, click mo lang ganyan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung properties and pop up itong kanyang networking properties. Ang next step, dito lang sa desk connections uses the following items. So, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Internet Protocol versions for TCP/IBB4. So, i-select mo ganyan and then kailangan mo na mag-double click and pop up itong Internet Protocol versions properties. So, ang next step, dito lang sa general and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung obtain an IP address automatically. And then dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung obtain DNS server address automatically. Okay, so kailangan nakaselect yan and then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so in hope na na-resolve yung error, but if the problem still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, and then dito sa search menu, so click mo lang siya, and then dito lang sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung network reset, and then select mo lang dito yung open. At madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, makikita mo kaagad dito yung network reset, and then dito na sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung reset now. And then network reset, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And after dito, so close lang natin. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive your account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS and one word yung //DNS. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. So, ang next step na command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung NATSH space wnsec space reset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wnsec space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the wnsec catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, close lang natin itong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix local area connections doesn't have a valid IP configurations. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.